Hi, and welcome to week 9. Hope everyone's doing well. Boy, we're just moving along very quickly through this semester. This week we're going to be diving into respiratory function. So again, the modules start out with you completing your pre-quiz on chapters 29, 30, and 31. And then, of course, there's some associated PowerPoints that you can follow along or use as for notes as you read the chapters. There's some sections in the concepts and action animation. You can see right here there's 4 of those, a total of about 10 minutes. There's some additional videos that you can watch here about pulmonary embolisms, dyspnea, asthma, etc. Those are really helpful and informative. So I learn best by watching and doing, so I just love those kind of videos. This week's assignment is around some case study presentations, so we can go into that assignment. And each assignment, of course, has to do with some respiratory issues. One is on asthma, one is on PE, one is on giving the pertussis vaccine in pregnancy, things like that. And you're still going to continue in your small groups, the ones that you used last time with the letters. And each group then is assigned the case study that they'll work on. There are 2 case studies that are repeated, so note that. And this week's presentation is a narrated presentation. So again, remember each person should narrate their own slide, and make sure that your name is on your slide so I can give appropriate credit to the person who does the work. And this will be uploaded by Thursday at 11:55 p.m. The links to the different case studies are found right below here, so you can go into that. And then if we go back into the class itself, then there's the sharing forum again, like we've used in the past. And just one person from each group needs to submit their presentation here. Make sure everybody is accounted for, and then you need to comment on 2 presentations that are different than the one that you did. We still follow the forum guidelines as far as it has to be 250 words. You do not, in this section, you do not need to respond to everybody. Like if your group is A, you don't need to respond to everybody who posts comments, but you're each responsible for choosing 2 different case studies to comment on other than the one that you did. And then back into the classroom, there's some worksheets to complete and an alternative workbook for chapters 21, 22, and 23, and then a case study viewing table for you to complete with some takeaways and important points that you noted from watching the other presentations. And that's about it for this week. I wish you well and hope everyone does just a great job. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I will help any way that I can. Take care.